Hi, it's Emily from WTI. I'm here to tell you about this awesome TENS machine from the AUVON store. A TENS machine is a way to use electrical impulses to address pain, particularly chronic pain. And in my case, my biggest challenge is low back pain. This one has some features that I think are absolutely amazing. One is that it has 36 different modes. So you can move through TENS settings to EMS settings to massage settings. It also comes with a variety of sizes of pads so that you can target specific body areas. There are also 2 different ports, each that attach to 2 pads. So you can be targeting 4 areas at once. The number one feature that is my personal favorite on this TENS machine is the fact that as you are adjusting the time with the T button in 10-minute intervals, you can end up at the time setting of C, which is continuous, which allows you to use the TENS machine until the battery completely exhausts, which is a really long time, like up to a couple of hours or more. That's my favorite part about this one, but it honestly has so many great features and it is so much more functional than other ones that I've looked at. It comes with a rechargeable cord, so you don't have any need for batteries. And it also comes with this really nice, sturdy carrying case. A TENS machine is a great tool to have in your arsenal if you deal with chronic pain. And for me, it has been absolutely a necessity. And that's my point of view.